1931 DIVCO Model 8.
$12,000. We're at 11, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000 feet. Now 14,000. We're at 13, asking 14. 13's bid, 14,000. Thank you, 15,000. 14,500, 15,000. Now 20,000. I like your style. Now 21,000. 21,000. At $21,000. 21,000. I have 20. I was ready this time. 21,000. At 20 bid, $21,000. We're at 20. $21,000. $21,000. Now Zach has the money at 20, 21, 22. Thank you, Pete. And now 22. 20. I'm glad to see you working for a change, Pete. 21, 22. 20, 25, 27.5. 25, 27.5. Your dad says you don't do anything all day. 25, 27.5. 25,000, 27.5. 27.5. At 25,000 on Zach's bidder. 27.5. 27.5 going once. Keep smiling, kid. 27.5. At 25, 27.5 going once. 27.5 twice. Third and final chance. 20, 26, 27. Now 27 at a brand new bidder at 27,000. 27,000. 20, 27. Now 28, sir. 28,000. 29,000. 29,000. We're at 28, asking 29. 28's bid. 29. So now it's going 30,000. Now 31. Now 32. Now 32. Some strong bidding. 31. 32. How's the pie? 32,000. At 31. $32,000. We're at 31. 32,000 going once. 31 bid. 32,000 going twice. 32. 33 now, sir. 33,000. Now 34. And now 34,000. We're at 33. Asking 34. 34,000. Zach, it's your turn at 34,000. 33. 34. Does anyone else want to bid? 34,000 going once. 33, 34,000 going twice. 33, 34,000, third and final chance at $34,000. Sold $33,000. Thank you, sir, at $33,000. And then number 9311, 9311.
Got milk, indeed. Coming up, lot 350, 1930 Ford Model A Victoria. This will also be without reserve. 1942 Dodge half-ton WC4 weapons carrier without reserve. That is imposing. Rarely seen half-ton variant from the collection of noted enthusiast Bill Thomas. This is ready to play.
Looks like fun, doesn't it? We'll give 10,000 to start. 10,000 to start at 10,000. Thank you, 12,500. 12,500, 15,000. We're at 12,500, 15,000. 12,500,
42 half-ton WC4.
12,500, 15,000. 12,500, 15,000. We're at 12,500, 15,000. Hello, 13,000. 12,500, 13,000. Now 14,000. $14,000 rare. We're at 13, asking 14. 13's on the far right-hand side. $14,000 rare. And it's selling tonight at 13,000. $14,000. I'm going to count it down, and it's selling all the way at 13,000.
amazing.
14,000.
No protection.
I have to say, I hope whoever buys this is a complete extrovert, because there's not going to be a parade in a 200-mile radius that you're not going to be invited to join in this fantastic half-ton Dodge.
Yeah.
13,000, asking 14,000. Anyone else want to bid at $14,000 going once? 13,000, 14,000. Sir, do you want to reconsider at 13,500? 13,500. 13,500, third and final chance at $13,500. Sold $13,000. Ken,
That's a good
13,000. And that number 9177. Thank you, 9177.
All right, as the weapons carrier moves off, that ends our auction tonight. From the entire team at RM Sotheby's, thank you for everyone for joining us. We hope to see you all.